Start chapter polynomial. So before getting into the chapter, I'll give you few examples of our surrounding or our daily life. From there you will understand how we use this chapter into our daily life, and you will understand the basic terms and the concept of this chapter. I'll ask you few questions. My first question is, if I ask you number of hours in a day, you know there are 24 hours in a day. So my question is that, does this 24 hour will change for anyone? No, it is fixed for everyone. That means 24 hour has a fixed value. There are lots of the things which have fixed value. Let us take few more examples of our daily life. If I ask you number of minutes in a day, you know there are 60 minutes in a day. Again, 60 minutes is also fixed. Let's take more example. If I ask you number of days in a week, you know very well there are 7 days in a week. Again, 7 days is something which remains the same or which has a fixed value. Let's see one more example. Number of months in a year, you know there are 12 months in a year. Again, 12 months is also fixed, which doesn't change with the time. So the things which has fixed value, we call them as a stable thing or the constant things. What do we call? Constant. So this is the first term which we are going to use in this chapter, polynomial. So you saw how we use this term into our daily life. So I hope you understood the constant. I hope you can make your definition also. Let's see what I have told you. The things which has fixed value, that are called constant things. The definition are: constant are those things which has what? Fixed value. Which has fixed value, or you can say which doesn't changes. Okay, I hope you understood what are constant. Okay, now one question must be coming into your mind. Sir, there are lots of the things into our daily life or into our surrounding which keep on changing or whose values are not fixed, isn't it? There are lots of things. So I'll give you few examples of those things whose value doesn't remain the same or whose value keep on changing. Then later on I will tell you what do we call those things. So first take the example. First example is temperature. Let us see, when we wake up in the morning time before the sunrise, you know temperature is cooler. Suppose let's assume temperature in the morning time is 20 degrees Celsius. But when the sun rises in the afternoon, sun rises in the afternoon, you know temperature increases. Let us assume temperature has become 35 degrees Celsius. Now again in the evening time, temperature after the sunset, temperature again going to be decreased. Now let us assume temperature raised up to 25 degrees Celsius. You know again in the night it decreases further. So you can see during a whole day temperature, the value of the temperature keep on varying, means it is not a fixed. So you can say temperature varies, isn't it? So there are many more things whose value doesn't same, whose values are varies. Let's see few more example. Let us take the example of the age of humans, or you can say any living things. Let us take the example of mine. Let's see, I was born in 1991. After a year in 1992, I had celebrated my first birthday. Okay, so you can see from 1991 every year I am celebrating my next birthday, or you also do the same. Every next year you celebrate your next birthday. So in 2020 I am going to celebrate my 28th birthday. So you can see my age every year keep on changing. Again, it is not fixed, it varies. Let's take one more example of varies. The example is length of human hairs or nails. You know, if you do not take the haircut or you will not cut the nails on time, its length increases, so it is also varies. So as you saw, those things which keep on varies, we call them as variable. What do we call? Variable. So what are variables? Variables are those things whose value keep on varying or keep on changing, or you can say whose value doesn't remain fixed. So the definition of variables are those things whose value doesn't remain same, or you can say value varies. So I hope you understood what are the constants and what are the variables and what are the difference between constant and the variables. Let us recall again. Constant are those things whose values are fixed, and variables are those things whose values doesn't remain fixed. Okay, got it?